look what's arrived. Woohoo! The camera for the new car. Blimey, we've had good service from these. We had obviously we had them in the Passat and the Peugeot before. I think we had them before that as well. We've had these for quite a while. Okay, there might be other ones and there might be newer ones and whatever, but when you find something that does fine for you, and now it's time to change, we're not very good at changing. Just buy what you've been happy with. Just buy it again, innit? So the cameras have arrived for the car. You know me, I'm really keen on cameras. To be honest with you, it wouldn't take 12 months. Put it in the MOT that you must have a front and rear camera. You would bypass all this he said, she said, all this nonsense about no I didn't, yes I did, you did that, I did this. The camera does not and cannot lie. And the way the madness that goes out on the roads, and you know, you may have seen a thing, you may have suspected a thing, but you don't know, dear. You don't know. All of a sudden you're driving along, minding your own business, and then bang, something catastrophic happens, and then the insurance has to row about it and puts up the price of our insurance. The people that are in the wrong or was doing something wrong, the cameras should be as evidence. Every car should permanently have a front and rear camera, and that's the evidence. And if you was doing something catastrophically wrong, then it's not an accident. You're driving like a beep, aren't you? And then you should lose your license. That's one way of getting rid of the bad drivers and cutting down the traffic. These things, that there's no such thing as an accident. There's somebody's doing something wrong somewhere, isn't there? And that would control the price of our insurances and get the lunatics off the road. Yeah. Anyway, front and rear camera. It's the very first priority we're going to do to the car. For front and rear camera, and you get loads of cables, huge amounts of cables, and all the rest of it, and the mounting solutions. But again, this will be Rick. Rick will put this in, and he will black magically make this disappear and come out the other end in the back door, front and rear. He does a fantastic job. How the hell he manages to do it and get the cables in, I do not know. But yeah, Rick, the camera has arrived. Now there is a question. There is a tracker on it, but obviously there is the people that steal them study them and know where the manufacturing tracker is and would target them. Do we put our own tracker in it somewhere else? Or we are thinking of putting a ghost system in it. Let me know what you think. But I think we're going to put these in now and then get a ghost system and put a ghost system in it. So my recommendation is these Oki cameras. They've done us really well for lots of cars, because I don't believe in taking them out and being mean and, you know, reusing them. If they're there and they're fitted, they stay. So they went with the two cars have gone, both had Oki systems on it. So yeah, and yeah, they're older. I don't know how long they last. So now we're back to square one. We got brand new ones. So if the one in the Passat, we know that was 7 years old, so the camera would have been 7 years old. So we know they'll last at least 7 years old. It's just the luck of the draw. Hopefully these weren't built before the end of shift on a Friday, so they'll perform as good as the other ones. You just never know, do you? It's the luck of the draw with anything you buy. Here we are, busy, 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 busy. Keep watching, keep watching, keep watching. Keep watching, keep watching, keep watching. He goes, he goes, he goes. Watch, 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 watch. Bang! Who was at fault? Definitely. Wait for it, wait for it. There's another one. You know that saying, made my legs go turn to jelly. Watch this. Oh!
You are currently en route to Reading for a gin experience. Really? You could have had one of those at home. On the M1 drinking...
Push, Reggie, push!
But obviously not Dad because he's driving.
Yeah, stranded in the outside lane using my size and weight just to get them across the road. And sometimes it even proves you didn't do a certain thing.
Happily married. Hello? Hello? No. Hello?
Got it, wait there. Ooh, fucking hell. Just got it.
Yeah, and I don't see him.
Yeah, you don't see him there, but you watch. He comes back up the inside, look.
Yeah, and he goes straight ahead.
Yeah.
Maybe when I watch, I have he's on my blind spot,
Yeah, yeah.
and after I need to change the line, and after when I check again, he's safe.
You see now, look. The
Yeah.
front camera picks him up there.
But
Look. See, the front
Yeah,
camera
yeah,
picks him
yeah.
up, and then you're changing lanes, look. And then... That's the problem. Because if the front camera didn't see it,
yeah,
and he still was only in the side camera, you might get away, like, it might be okay. But you can see it in the front camera, so if the front camera picks it up, it's got the angle, so you should be able to see it.
Come on, Mitch, you can do it, man. Go on, son.
Right boys, I've got a tractor in front of me pulling, spinning, and I've got a tractor behind me pushing me. We're just about making it. Just about making it. So,